one bag of something. I said, she don't hurt my heart, you know. Me name Andrew. And he my favorite cousin. But I never like him mother because she's a real drunk girl. But our son, my favorite cousin, that boy they used to take care away. I mean, I talk about anything I need. I can just say, hey, cuz, yeah, and I him that.
Him name Andrew, and him did in a human trafficking.
My sister like them I tell that the boy they nice, tall, sick. You gotta get any girl him wants. I don't know who him with that traffic and why.
Boy, Patsy, sometimes you see people, I don't know them.
I'm my people, I'm my cousin, and me I tell you, say, that boy they couldn't hurt a fly. But grew up together, sleep on the same bed, everything. Hey, remember one time them used to say cousin boy with soup, and if I have to choose a cousin, I would have been him. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is, him never trouble nobody.
Alright, if you say so.
Yeah, but we don't understand what King really wants. What kind of loose move that? Kidnapping and a fainting.
I don't think that. It's a point him I try to prove.
Wrong point that him a make. But on a different note, bossy. You look like Carlton Wallace involved in the things that are going over Spain town.
Based on what? Information will you receive?
Information too, but actually the word in the street right now. And if you're involved in that, why would they involve in the gun trafficking with Tony? What do you think of about that?
You know, Whisper, I never see Carlton in that light. But anything possible. What we have to go to know is call him in and interrogate him. Cause maybe him are gonna be the one we're gonna get to what we need from Tony.
You really think him will come in? Much less for give you information?
I know if him are gonna come in, him have to come in.
If him not guilty, then him gonna come in willfully. But if him itch, that means him guilty. And we have to go for him ourselves.
When last you check for Antonian?
I call her, you know, but I'm not going to link her yet. You know what, Gary, we have to just give her some time to make it go through our system. But Patsy around there keep her company.
Boy, Whisper, I have to do the same thing like you. Because when me go around her, I get too emotional. So I have to give her time.
Bossy, I don't know anything already. A tough love. She have to get used to it.
Well, that's true. She tell you say Patsy and her mother catch up?
No. And Patsy not say nothing to me.
Well, them have argument around there. And she said she'd have to step in and, you know, angle it. But she said the funniest thing is that it's like Patsy get a vision, get something, but she called King name. Like she said, I know like voices, and like she literally said George.
I don't understand. You say she not hear. She say it.
Listen, how Tony explain it, it's like she go in a one trance and she talk it like how another person would have said it.
That's another level in a boss. No, me have to be very careful with her. I feel like I need to talk to Shepherd.
Well, me plan to do that. But you just make sure you be very normal. Cause you say once everything alright, she no hear nothing.
Yeah, but me not good now. And she not just hear voices. She talk it now. So now my mind a tell me say she might have hear but just not tell me.